Quick audio check. This is the Osmo Pocket with the audio level set to low using the internal microphones. This is an audio check with the internal microphones set to moderate. Well, noise reduction is off on all these tests. This is an audio check with the audio level of the Osmo Pocket internal microphones set to high. This is an audio check with the internal microphones of the Osmo Pocket set to auto. This is the audio using an external mic with the audio adapter for the Osmo Pocket. This microphone is the Edutige ETM-001. It's an omnidirectional, and I'm about a foot away from it. This microphone is a condenser stereo microphone. It's the Sony ECMCS3. And I'm wearing it on my shirt at the collar and speaking normally. Osmo Pocket is still on high. Noise reduction is still off. This microphone is a lav. It is the Aputure A.lav. It's the only microphone that I've tested today that I used external power with it. I tried to use it without external power, and even though the signal seemed a little stronger, it was a little distorted. So I put the external power on and it sounds much better. Again, Osmo Pocket set to high. This microphone is the Movo VXR10, which is kind of like a Rode Micro. It's a shotgun mic. I'm a couple feet away, and the Osmo Pocket is still set to high. Noise reduction is off. Some food for thought. This is what the Movo VXR10 sounds like when being recorded by an iPhone at 50% input level. There's got to be a problem with the Osmo Pocket audio adapter.